There's a pine that's often not thought of as being used in Nebraska because in fact, I never thought it was hardy years and years ago. It's called the Japanese white pine. We thought it was more of a tender pine because it's often really layered and thin looking, very oriental in appearance. But after we started using it, we found out how tough it really was. I've planted it on tops of hills on north sides of houses with zero protection, and it survives very well. So I started using the Japanese white pine a little bit more. There's about 3 cultivars that we like. The standard one, which is called Glauca, gets the largest. That can get 25 by 20. But then there's a couple of them that are smaller that I like using up around the house. Not in windbreaks again, but more up around the house in the landscape. The first one is called Miyajima. Miyajima is a small version of the Glauca, which again gets larger. Miyajima grows about 6 or 8 inches a year, can cone fairly heavy, which isn't all bad. The cones don't drop. They attach on Japanese white pine and kind of stay on there. You almost have to pry them off. So you don't see a lot of cones on the ground from these as time goes by. They too have a white banding on the underside of the needle, short needles that kind of reflex up, so you get that bicoloring of the blue and the green. And again, very oriental in shape with the layering. Fit right up against the side of a house. I have this one about 3 feet off the corner of the house. As it grows, I'll just trim branches off and give you that layered look. If you've ever seen the Karate Kid and the bonsais, often those were the different varieties of Japanese white pine. They can be trained and shaped to fit in about any situation. Then a lower one that I like is called Fukuzumi. It just sounds like I know Japanese when I say these names. I don't. Fukuzumi is more of a layered one. It's kind of a chair shape. It kind of throws the leader a little bit and layers out to the side. And you can shape these however you want to. If a branch is going the wrong direction down the road, you just cut it off and let it fill in around the backside. Very cool look. The Fukuzumi has a bicolor needle also with the white banding underneath. You'll see little cones develop on it. They won't drop either. They'll just kind of stay on the plant. If you don't prune the tree, every tree is different, so it's hard to say which size they'll get, but I would say you're probably going to see in the 8-foot height range and maybe 15-foot wide, but again, you can manipulate them very easily on the total size. So 2 varieties to consider out of the Japanese white pine family to work up around the house in a landscape.